Hello, welcome back guys to Amalia Projects here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to remove Gmail account from the apps on Android. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bell button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started with the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to open your Gmails first. And if you want to remove your Gmail account from your Gmail applications on Android, you just have to go to this account icon at the top right in the corner of your screen, and after tap on this manage account on this device. And here just go to this Google options, tap on it, and this is the Google accounts on my device guys, on my Gmail applications. If you want to remove it, you just have to choose the Gmail account that you want to remove. For example, I'm gonna remove this one. Just tap on it, and after tap on this three dots icon at the top right, and in this pop-up tap on this remove account. Tap on it, and now tap on remove account in this pop-up. And as you can see on my Gmail, there are only 2 email accounts here guys. So yeah, I think it's enough. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.